Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So with the continuation of intraday trading and the prerequisites, so let me explain in this video that how your trading mindset should be. And again, as a disclaimer, I'm saying that I'm not a SEBI registered trader. So I'm just explaining the things based on my experience. So please let me know if I have done any mistakes or if I say any mistakenly I say anything. So please let me know. I will just correct it. Okay. Okay. So let's come to the video that what is this trading mindset is all about. Okay. So that is a quote that it's my quote. I don't know. I mean, like who just given that trading is a business. It's not a gambling. So I usually put this in my mind before I just start my trading. Okay. Okay. Why I'm saying this? Because as I said in the last videos, 9 out of 10 traders are failing. Okay. So in order to not to be that 90 percentage, want to be that 1 percentage. So your, the mindset should be like, so you cannot earn 100% in a stock market every day. Okay. And don't come to the stock market like a gambling. So just consider as a business. For example, like if you want to sell tomatoes, so what is the profit percentage you usually keep? So normally 10 to 20% usually keep, right? Similarly, not I'm just giving you foreign tomatoes, for example, like if you take any car, luxury cars, like so they usually keep it around 15 to 20, 15 to 30% around. Okay. So what I would recommend, this from my experience, so do not come to the stock market or to the intraday trading or any form of a trading. You can earn 100%. Yes, you can earn. I'm just saying you can earn 100%, but don't come with a 100% mindset. Just consider this as a business. Okay. So 100%, it's not a lottery. It's stock market is not a lottery, and for a long run this mindset definitely is not going to help. Okay. So as I said, so what you expect? As I said earlier in the videos, just if you are not seeing the videos, just go to the intraday trading and what is intraday trading and where I explained. Okay, then if a stock moves by 1%, then you will gain 5% profit. Similarly, multiples of 5, 2% means 10% profit. So what you guys do? So just look for the stocks. If in a day or in an average, it goes to 1% to 2%. Okay. So if your call, for example, you take a buy call and unfortunately the stock went down and it went by and you have a stop loss by 5%, then your loss will be covered only by 5%. Okay. So if you take any stock, okay, that is there are two things you need to notice. Okay, so here the first one I just put down like you just pick a stock by 1 to 2% means you should expect either profit with 5 to 10% in a day. Okay, in a day 5 to 10%. There are in a month there are 20 trading sessions. Okay, so in a year almost around 12 into 2 240 trading sessions in a year. Okay, so if you can earn 10 percentage, for example, say you can take 5% in a day. You take a 1% moving of a stock and then you just book your profit 5%, 20 into 5, you just 100% of your capital. Simple, but you need a patience. Okay, the first one, uh, you should not be greedy. That is not looking for 100%. Then patience is the key. So you need to wait. You need to wait till you get a uh, good call. That is to you need to get a breakout. That is you want to buy or you want to sell, and you need to wait until you get your return on capital. But what I would recommend, what I would say, it's not a recommendation. What I would say, if you cannot calculate your profits based on a daily. Okay, so what you would do, you should analyze your profit and loss by weekly and monthly, preferably on monthly. So monthly, if you are earning 30 percentage, then that is the business. Okay, so that is very, 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 and you would say you can just proudly say that you are a very good trader. Okay, but if you are sometimes, like in the 20 trading days, you would say that 15 days you are getting profit and 5 days you are getting loss is fine, but you should at the end of the month your net profit and loss will be at least 20 to 30 percentage, then you are a very good trader. Okay, so go with this mindset and do not go with the gambling mindset. I hope you guys are clear why I'm just putting this video, because humans are emotionally controlled with money. Okay, so for example, if you are if you are getting 10 percentage today, and then you are again the second call you just go for one again 10 percentage, and you will lose your entire capital. Okay, so do not go with this mindset and go with a business mindset, and calculate your profit based, not based on the uh, amount. You should calculate your profit and loss based on your percentage. Okay, because there are brokerage charges also involved. For example, if you are earning 1,000 rupees profit in your intraday, at least what is your investment? For example, if you put around 1 lakh capital, then at least you need to give around 1 lakh. I'm just giving it for an example, because uh, uh, the brokerage charge differs from broker to broker, so it'll be around 300 rupees. So 1 lakh will be 300 rupees, then you will have only 700 rupees for 1 lakh. Okay, so this is the thing you need to think about it. And for example, you get a profit by 300 rupees, and then you can just do a profit booking here, then you have a no loss, no profit or no loss. So but no use of that particular trade. So you should also think about the brokerage charges also. Okay, I hope now you have a clear idea before you just go for intraday trading or any kind of a trading, how your mindset should be. Okay, again I'm saying, trading is a business, not a gambling. Happy trading. Thank you.